Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 25 passive income ideas that can help you make money in 2024. Look, I get it. Everyone's talking about passive income these days, and it can seem like a pipe dream. But the truth is, building multiple streams of income, even if they're small at first, can have a huge impact on your financial future. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or work towards achieving complete financial freedom, these ideas are a great place to start. Let's get started. Rental income is great, but remember, real estate also has the potential to appreciate in value over time. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is like getting paid to own a piece of a company. With peer-to-peer lending, you become the bank, lending money and earning interest. Chapter 4. Have valuable skills? Package them into an online course and generate passive income. Chapter 5. Ebooks are a great way to earn passive income from something you're passionate about. Chapter 6. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products you believe in and earning commissions. Chapter 7. Start a blog, your platform, your profits. Monetize your blog with ads, sponsored posts, and even your own products or services. Chapter 8. YouTube channel. Lights, camera, income. Build an audience on YouTube and monetize your content through ads and sponsorships. Chapter 9. Create an app. There's an app for that and this. App sales and in-app purchases can be a lucrative source of passive income. Chapter 10. Stock photos turn your passion into profit. If you're a photographer, selling stock photos online can generate passive income. Chapter 11. Rent out your car. It's like Airbnb but for cars. Did you know you can rent out your car when you're not using it? Chapter 12. Invest in a business. Be part of something big. Investing in businesses can yield significant returns, but it's important to do your research. Chapter 13. High-yield savings accounts. Watch your money grow. Earn a higher interest rate on your savings with a high-yield savings account. Chapter 14. Membership site. Exclusive content, recurring income. Create a membership site with exclusive content and generate recurring income from subscriptions. Chapter 15. Digital products. Sell your expertise again and again. Digital products like templates and printables can be sold an unlimited number of times. Chapter 16. Rent out storage space. Turn unused space into cash. Have extra storage space? Well, rent it out and earn passive income. Chapter 17. License your music. Get your music heard, get paid. Musicians can earn royalties by licensing their music for use in various media. Chapter 18. Create a podcast. Share your voice, earn income. Podcasts can be monetized through sponsorships, ads, and even listener donations. Chapter 19. REITs. Invest in real estate without the hassle. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning or managing properties. Chapter 20. Sell an online course. Platforms for every expert. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell online courses. Chapter 21. Dropshipping. Sell products without the inventory. Dropshipping lets you run an online store without holding any inventory. With print on demand, you can sell custom merchandise without managing inventory or shipping. Chapter 23. Invest in bonds. Fixed income, predictable returns. Bonds offer a fixed income stream, making them a relatively stable investment option. Chapter 24. Rent out equipment, tools, gear, and more. From tools to cameras, renting out equipment you own can generate passive income. Chapter 25. Subscription boxes, curate, deliver, repeat. Subscription boxes offer recurring revenue and cater to a wide range of interests. And there you have it, 25 passive income ideas to help you make money in 2024. Remember, building true wealth takes time and effort, and there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. But by exploring these ideas and finding what works best for you, you can start creating a more secure and financially free future for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.